Hello and welcome to my elevator pitch video, in which I will describe and explain how teachers could use the Light Fantastic design task as a basis for CBA 2. If we look at the classroom-based assessment 2 in graphics, we find it's about graphical presentation skills, which suits the brief perfectly if you ask me. So the Light Fantastic brief is asking us to redesign light bulb packaging that is reusable and builds into interesting lights, features and structures, which is perfect for students to develop many important skills like designing skills, psychomotor skills, communication skills and visualization skills. So the big question is, how do we implement this brief into CBA 2? What I've done is, for week 1, students carry out research and analysis tasks of the brief and begin to ideate ideas of how they think they'll solve the brief, which in turn ticks off part 1 of the year's activity for the CBA 2, which is research and analysis. Week 2 entails rough prototyping and examining presentation mediums. Yes, there will be a presentation at the end of the CBA, which is the main point of how the Light Fantastic brief is implemented into the graphics CBA 2. This week is full of self-assessments and discussions, which then ticks off part 2 of the areas of activity in the CBA 2, which is comparing concepts. Finally, in week 3, students finalise their design, make their presentation through a medium of their choice, and then present the storyboard of how they went from the brief to their first ideas to their final design. That then brings us to part 3 of the areas activity in the classroom-based assessment 2 in graphics, which is graphical presentation. So to conclude, how I implemented the Light Fantastic brief into the CBA 2 in graphics is basically in weeks 1 and 2, students carried out and designed their solution to the brief, and we had a practice presentation in week 1. The practice presentation was a basis for developing student skills for section 3 of the year's activity, which is graphical presentation. So that is how I implemented the Light Fantastic brief into CBA 2. To end this video, I will now show you a screenshot of how I planned my 6 lessons. Lesson 1, Lesson 2, Lesson 3, Lesson 4, Lesson 5, and Lesson 6, which is the presentation. Thank you for watching.